Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be going over how to pay yourself as a pressure washing business. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start putting themselves on payroll just because the profits are coming in. Make sure to do your own research though. This video shouldn't be construed as financial advice, but let's go ahead and get started. Now, I do want to go over the distinction between LLC, sole proprietorship, and S corporation election because at some point you are probably going to run into these terms if you haven't already. So in LLC, basically, the main thing about this is that it's going to separate your personal assets and your business assets. So there is legal protection of your personal assets. And with that, if your business goes bankrupt, they can't go over or they can't come after your personal assets. Now with the sole proprietorship, this is the simplest structure and it's automatically assigned to anyone who starts a pressure washing business. There's no legal distinction between personal and business assets. So the owner is personally liable for all debts and liabilities that even come with the business. Now with an S corporation election, this is available to LLCs and corporations. There is a potential for reduced self-employment taxes and the income is split into salary and dividends. Tax savings start if your LLC exceeds around $40,000 to $50,000 in profit. Now, just as an example calculation, solo business owners, let's say you net profit $100,000 with an LLC, okay? If you file as a sole proprietorship, the entirety of your $100,000 is going to be subject to self-employment tax. So as an example, we're going to say 15%. So in this top scenario here, you're going to be taxed $15,000. Now, if you file as an S corporation taxation, you need to set up a payroll for yourself and pay yourself $60,000 and then also have $40,000 of that as dividends. So the salary, right, the $60,000, that is the one amount that's actually subject to self-employment tax, which is 15%. And then the dividend portion, which is the $40,000, is not subject to self-employment tax. So therefore, in this bottom scenario here, the total self-employment tax that you'll be paying is $9,000. So essentially, you'll be saving $6,000, right? $15,000 minus $9,000 is $6,000. So in order to actually pay yourself as a pressure washing business, it's important that you set yourself up with payroll. And in order to do that, I would recommend Gusto. I've been using Gusto for over 4 years now. It's a payroll HR benefits solution software. It's very easy to use. I only pay like $45 a month for it. And if you use my link down below in order to sign up with Gusto, you'll actually get a $100 gift card once you set up your first payroll. So once you click on the link down below, just simply click on create an account and then you're going to reach a page that looks like here. Simply fill out your information here, okay? So first name, last name, company name, number of employees, and your password. So after you fill that out, it's going to ask you to create your company profile. So who is your company planning to pay with Gusto? Next, how does your company currently run payroll? Usually we're new to running payroll. Is your company registered as an employer with the IRS? So yes or no. Do you have a company bank account? Yes or no. In which US states do you work? So select the state that you work. Do you have an accountant or bookkeeper helping your business? So yes or no. Industry are you in? So you would simply click on the toggle menu here and then select the industry that closely resembles yours. Then it asks, is your company a cannabis related business? So yes or no. Does anyone in your company need to track hours worked or create hourly schedules? So yes or no. What is your desired first payday with Gusto? So you can input an estimated date here. In my case, I pay myself on the 21st of every month, but you could always change this payday later. So just input a date and then click on continue. The next page that you're going to reach is it's going to recommend you a package. And this is the package that I'm on. It's called the Simple Plan and it's only $40 per month. Plus $6 a month per person. So with the Simple Plan, you're able to run unlimited payrolls in one state. You're able to get your W-2s and 1099s at the end of every year. You also get basic support. So I've contacted Gusto a few times and they've been absolutely phenomenal, even though I was on their most basic plan. So if everything looks good here, just click on confirm and set up. Now, once you click on confirm and set up, there's potentially 3 more things you need to do. You need to set up your payroll details, and then you need to set up an employee profile, and then you also need to share your specific state tax details. So for our case, under pay, click on run payroll, and then click on continue where it says add payroll details. So from this page here, you simply just need to fill out your addresses, your federal tax info, your filing address, your bank account, your pay schedule, and your signatory. Next, you're gonna fill out your employee profile. So again, under pay, under run payroll, click on continue where it says create your own profile. And you're gonna reach a page that looks like this here. So you basically just need to fill out some simple information here. Then you need to input the compensation. So for my case, I just put manager as my job title. employee type, amount that you want to be paid per year, and then do you have a special tax exemption status? No or yes. Click on save and continue. And it's just going to ask for a bit more personal information here, okay? So your home address, personal information. This is all demo information, okay? And then afterwards, click on save and continue. And then input your tax selections and then your payment. So from this page again, under pay and then run payroll, the last thing you might need to be able to do is simply input your state tax details. So simply click on let's do it and then input the specific state tax details. So that is essentially how to pay yourself as a pressure washing business. It's fairly simple. Once you set up, you really don't have to touch it again unless your accountant or bookkeeper asks you to adjust something. But with that being said, if you guys haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you run your first payroll, you'll get a $100 Visa gift card sent to you. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.